Hi everybody and welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I am going to answer your question: why is your House of Marley get together speaker so quiet? As you can see, the volume level in our phone and in our speaker is separate. It didn't really change, so at first click plus on your speaker until you see this LED light blinking. This is the max volume level. Here I don't recommend to use the volume level, full volume level on your phone, but if you want to try, go ahead. Now your speaker should be louder, and this is the most common issue I've met, is because I did the same earlier. And so yeah, apart from that, if your speaker is quite still, you have to try to charge it with the power cable you have got with yourself in the packaging, and unplug every other device. For example, don't charge your phone meantime. Just have your phone connected to your speaker. Then try to play something. It should make a difference. If it didn't make any difference, you have to contact device support because your device is broken. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.